Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you how to add parallax effect to a section in PageFly. Here is the PageFly page editor. So the very first thing we want to do is head over to the Add Element tab on the left toolbar. Grab a full section and drag and drop it onto the page. Now I will select the section. And I want to set an image as a background. So I will head over to Styling and scroll down. And then under Background Style, I will choose Parallax. We can upload an image here. Then I will click on More Settings. And here you can set speed for the parallax effect. And add overlay color to it if you want. Obviously you can see that this background image is just set to a slither. So what we want to do is add a little bit of padding on both ends. Let's try 200 pixel on the top. And 200 pixels on the bottom. And that should give us a little bit more room to show the image. Remember that this effect only works on live view. So to see the effect, I will go ahead and hit Publish. To see the page in real time. So here we can see the parallax effect as we scroll down. It's quite subtle, but the image in the background stays fixed as the rest of the page moves. And it's just a really cool design feature to add to your page. Now let's back to the page editor. Remember, when adding these margin and padding parameters, it will affect your device from a mobile view. You can see this image is not taking up quite a significant portion of the mobile view. So what we want to do is click on it. And then just adjust the section padding like this. So it looks more pleasing to the eye when viewed on a phone or another smart device. Now publish the page again. And check the live page. Right-click and open Inspect. You can see how the page looks on a mobile view. You may be curious that the image with mobile on live view is different from the one in page editor. It's normal when you use parallax effect. The image will be enlarged to fit to small screen.
This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.